Palantir partners with AirTaxi maker Archer to build next-gen aviation technology. Palantir Technologies and Archer Aviation are joining forces to innovate the foundation of next-gen aviation technologies. This partnership is set to accelerate the development of AI-driven systems across various aviation domains, including air traffic control, movement control, and route planning. Archer will utilize Palantir Foundry and AIP to boost its aircraft manufacturing capabilities at its Georgia and Silicon Valley facilities, aiming to transform the entire aviation value chain. This strategic alliance will officially commence later today with a signing ceremony at Palantir's AIPCon, featuring leaders from both companies. Karp, co-founder and CEO of Palantir, emphasizes that this partnership will redefine the future of flight, enhancing efficiency and accessibility by integrating advanced AI capabilities into Archer's innovative aircraft manufacturing and operations. Adam Goldstein, founder and CEO of Archer, highlights the pivotal role of AI and software as an inflection point shaping the future of aviation, moving beyond the industry's legacy technology limits to a new era of efficiency and safety. The collaboration extends beyond manufacturing, targeting the development of next-generation aviation software systems that are crucial for the operational ecosystem required for urban air mobility services. With significant challenges ahead, including navigating complex regulatory frameworks, this partnership could set new standards for the eVTOL market by merging top-tier AI analytics with cutting-edge electric aviation platforms. Follow and subscribe for more updates on how this partnership progresses.